I got my hair twisted. Friday, 3/25/11. And they're tiny. I have relaxer on the ears, very little. When can I wash it? It's itchy. And it's only been 3 days. See? Like, more relaxing than I thought, but I just want to stop cutting and let it grow. I'll sleep with this thing on at night. Can't shake it. That's what the lady told me to wear tonight. So I just want to know when can I wash it and when do I retwist? First video, just a trial. The next one will be better. Deuces.